Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is Chinese fried chicken, Guyanese or Trini style. This is a dish that you'll find in the Caribbean islands where there is a Chinese community like Guyana, Trinidad, even Jamaica. And it's basically chicken that has been marinated overnight in soy sauce, sugar, and then slowly fried in oil. It's absolutely delicious. To begin with, our ingredients, we have some chicken legs, thigh and drumstick attached. We have some soy sauce, some dark brown sugar, some rice wine vinegar, some fresh ginger that's been grated. So to start with, we want to make the brines which actually season the chicken overnight. So firstly, add the sugar to the bowl, followed by the soy sauce, and then the rice wine vinegar, and then the ginger. Mix all of that together, make sure that the sugar has dissolved. Now it's ready for the chicken. We need to get the chicken into this to brine overnight. I'm just going to get a sandwich bag, a food safe bag, something that has a seal as well. We want to place the chicken legs into the bag. And then after that, we're going to take the marinade that we made and pour it all over. Now the reason why we're using a bag is because it's soft and it's malleable, so it can allow the liquid to get all over the chicken and the chicken can sit in it comfortably. Seal the bag up and just make sure that that chicken is coated and covered in all of that lovely marinade we've just made. And I'm literally going to pop this in the fridge overnight for about 24 hours. After 24 hours, it will look a bit like this. So just take the chicken out of the bag. You can see that it's changed color because the chicken itself has actually started to soak up the soy and all of the other things we put in there, and it's really got deep into the skin and into the flesh. Reserve this liquid because we're going to use that a little later, and then just pat this chicken dry of any excess liquid because when you fry, you don't want the oil to overreact. So now our chicken's ready. We're going to heat up some oil here. You need to keep the oil at around 340 to 350. So just place the first lot of chicken in, skin side down. We're going to fry in batches and cook to about 5 to 8 minutes on each side. But either way, just give it, even turns so that it can cook all the way through. And then you'll see over time that skin is going to go really, really dark from the soy sauce. So I'm just going to fry the rest of my batch and then we can prepare them to serve with our other ingredients. So all of the chicken is done now. As you can see, that skin has gone really crispy, the flesh has gone really dark, absolutely delicious. So I'm just going to set that aside for a second. Now the marinade that we had, we want to make that into a sauce. So if you just add it into a pan, place it onto the hob on a medium to high heat, and we just want to reduce it by at least half. That's going to make it into this really thick reduction. Remove it from the heat and then just leave it to cool. So back to the chicken. This is cooled now as well. We just want to trim these up a little bit. So I'm just cutting off any of the edges that went a bit crispy, and then you just want to chop it straight through the bone, and that's where you see that lovely flesh on the inside like this. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to chop up the rest of these and then arrange them on the plate. Perfect. As the chicken's finished now, we just want to finish this off with our sauce that we made. So if you just drizzle that over the top and put a little on the side as well. I'm going to chop up some spring onion and some chilies as well, and then just sprinkle them over the top. And that is it. That is my Chinese style fried chicken, which you'll find in Guyana or Trinidad. So thank you guys, as always. I hope you enjoyed this one. Until the next time, peace and love.